covering airline with the low cost. Ryanair is one of the pioneer airline which actually initiated low cost air travel, and basically this airline is competing with British Airways as well as Lufthansa Airways, and another EasyJet Airways is there which is competing within the Europe. So this Ryanair is competing within the US, while EasyJet is competing within the Europe. Actually, these low-cost air traveling services are provided by the Ryanair first time, and they are having this mindset to provide maximum facilities to the passenger with the minimum possible cost. Therefore, they initiated or launched this particular service, and they are having now the market share of more than 10%, and which they are capable to get due to one of the major reason they are offering these services with the cheapest possible prices. And usually if you observe, the minimum fare they are charging is less than even €10. And these are actually, this low cost is allowing this company to sell their seat at maximum. So they have this mindset and try to capture the maximum market share with the low cost or with the low price seating arrangement, and they try to fulfill the maximum number of seats by selling it at low cost. Secondly, the Chief Executive Officer O'Leary has the mindset that we are going to sell maximum number of commodity, just like the seats, and buy the maximum amount, just following the Tesco, which is another company which is following that particular rule. So he is following this particular company. This table actually shows that the heads are mentioned related to the possibilities through which the Ryanair is successful to minimize their cost. Booking, which is going to happen through the internet. Actually, internet is allowing these firms to contact maximum number of people within the large community who is connected through the internet. Secondly, the tight operation schedule is allowing this company to reschedule their planes, just like once they are arrived, जब एक दफा वो अराइव करते हैं एयरपोर्ट के ऊपर, उसके बाद डिपार्चर के लिए they have a shortest possible time to prepare themselves, and this is allowing them to have 2 more flights as compared to British Airways. Pilot flying times is another important area in which this Ryanair is successful to maximize the utility of this pilot flying time. They are consuming 887 hours per year, which are close to the legally allowed 900. But larger than other airlines, just like EasyJet, another low-cost airline, which is consuming 780 flight hours. Therefore, 107 extra hours are available through which they can generate more revenue. Older aircrafts is another strategy which is being followed by the Ryanair, in which they are capable to reduce their depreciation cost because the technicians already know about these planes, and so they can easily manage them. Boeing was also ordered to be added into the fleet. They are allowing them to have more capacity and fuel efficiency, but definitely that happens at the high depreciation cost. But probably depreciation cost is not much more than whatever additional revenue they are capable to generate through extra capacity and fuel efficiency. Use of secondary airports is another important area, because usually the main hub have more cost, but these underused airports which are not very close to the hub but they are not far away to these hub, they are being used by Ryanair and they are generating more revenue through that. So per passenger saving is close to 5.85 pound, specifically referring that so much huge amount they can save with respect to large number of passengers. Average fare is quite low, which is allowing to sell their seats to the large community, so they have more passengers. Challenges which they are going to face is related to the tax payment, because definitely the tax payment is happening in Ireland, but they are actually registered in Dublin. Short haul flights cause global warming because their depreciation is much more. If we just go through this graph, the rising growth in the passenger is evident that this airline use these strategies to successfully capture the maximum number of passengers. And secondly, this graph also shows the rising trend or growth in the crew, which is growing more. So they are capable to generate more employment, as well as they are capable to generate more sale within the market with the low cost. And if we observe these price differences with reference to the EasyJet, Ryanair and British Airways, you can observe clearly that towards Berlin, towards Barcelona, towards Rome, they are charging, the Ryanair is charging very low. This bluish line, now they are become more rising, having some rising trend over the time. But the point is that as compared to these rising trend of other air travels, specifically if you observe British Airways, they are charging much more than the Ryanair. The sources are mentioned here. If you want to have more information regarding Ryanair and how they are providing variety of services, you can go through these possible websites, as well as YouTube is a good source where you can find out some of the information related to Ryanair, which is giving you the historical perspective that how they are evolved over the time with the low cost and capture the huge market over the time. Probably that will be helpful whenever you are being asked some quizzes or assignments, in that you can give some kind of information to these sources.